Hey everyone, this is Nate from GetVoIP, and today we're covering IVR Payments. Let's get right to it. An IVR payment is a VoIP phone system feature that guides callers through automated interactive voice response prompts to complete transactions, often eliminating the need to connect to a live agent. There are two main types of IVR payment options: agent-assisted or self-service. Agent-assisted payment processing uses IVR to collect and share essential customer information with the representative handling the call. In other words, the customer speaks to a live agent as a part of the process. Self-service payment, the most popular option, bypasses the agent entirely, processing the payment on its own and providing 24/7 365 access to bill payment options. While voice payments are still widely used, secure digital payment methods are also available. You'll want to look for providers that offer at least two types of payment options. IVR payments work by allowing customers to make payments, track account balances, and monitor other billing issues over the phone instead of in person or online. Interactive voice response payment follows the same process as traditional IVR technology, but has billing-specific capabilities and requires PCI compliance. Pre-recorded auto-attendant scripts and voice prompts collect caller payment information like debit and credit card numbers, contact or account information, invoice date, or e-check number. IVR then analyzes these customer responses using natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine learning to determine if self-service or agent-assisted payment is needed. If self-service is possible, the IVR platform automatically processes the payment and provides a confirmation via voice, email, or SMS. If further assistance is required, IVR routes the customer to the best available representative or schedules a time for an automated callback. In most cases, the payment process is completed in under 5 minutes. IVR payment platforms must meet PCI compliance standards to protect sensitive customer financial data and personally identifiable information. PCI DSS compliance, or Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, is a 12-step process regulating the way customer payment information is stored, shared, and processed. Now, some IVR benefits are obvious, like streamlining payment processes and keeping agents free to assist with more complex customer calls and service issues. But using IVR to collect and manage customer payments also amounts to the following. Firstly, fewer late payments. Automated omnichannel payment reminders, recurring payments, financing options, and stored credit or debit card information dramatically decrease late payments while providing customers with flexible and reasonable payment options. Next would be lower operating costs. IVR-enabled ACH bank transfers have much lower fees than traditional credit card transactions, potentially saving your business thousands annually. Automated payment options also help businesses optimize existing agents, increasing first contact resolution rates and shortening call handle times as a result. IVR payments speed up the billing dispute resolution process by storing detailed call logs, analytics, customer information, and transaction history to prevent false or inaccurate claims. Next would be increased customer satisfaction. IVR payments boost customer satisfaction rates by offering around-the-clock omnichannel payment options, dedicated payment phone numbers, and automated payment confirmations and reminders. Flexible one-time or recurring payment plans, multilingual call menus, and credit card or bank account number storage further optimize the process. IVR software streamlines billing and payment processes across all industries, but enterprise-level corporations that process a high daily or weekly order volume will see the biggest benefits. If you found this video informative, give it a like, smash that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell below to keep up with our journey to simplify the VoIP world. Till next time, this is Nate from GetVoIP.